Dear friends of the Violet Race Garage, today I would like to work together with you on this Wapa, and I will start with the handle. As you see, we got some old wires, and maybe the isolation inside is broken. That is the reason why we are replacing the wires. Even if they look good, we just would like to replace them. So the first thing that I do, I'm cutting off the wire of the handle. Once here, and then I cut the wire off here. So now I have the handle here to work on step by step. Okay. First I check, is there any fixation here inside for the coil that is inside, and I don't see a bolt or anything, so this is okay. I try to turn this here a little bit and open the handle. Here we have the coil which is inside, and there are two wires going into this coil, and here we have the next problem. The coil doesn't want to come out. This somehow happens, you know, there is a lot of wax inside, and one reason that the coil doesn't want to fall out is that the wax has melted and there is now a fixation for the coil. You see, it's moving a little bit. And here it comes. Here we have the coil of the device. The coil consists of two parts. The one part that you immediately see is the primary winding. This is a winding where the energy is coming from the device and flowing into this winding here and then going out again. So the circuit to the handle is closed by this primary winding. Inside of the coil there is a very small wire. There are 17 layers of these very small wires, and each of the layer is insulated from the other with a wax paper. As you see here, this is the wax paper. So, and this is the coil. This is, in my opinion, the most vulnerable part of the Violet Ray device because of all the wax and all the insulation